Bits from the lesson Principles of Metallurgy, very useful for Polytechnic entrance exam. Which of the following is a carbonate ore? Answer is magnesite. Option 4. Galena is an ore of lead. Pb. Option 1. The most abundant metal in the earth crust is aluminium. Option 4. Arranging metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity is called activity series or reactivity series. Option 3. Corrosion of iron occurs in the presence of water and air. Both are needed for corrosion of the iron, water and air. So answer is option 1. Of copper, aluminum, calcium and tin, the least reactive metal is copper. Comparing to other three metals, copper is less reactive. Which of the following pair of reactants can undergo a displacement reaction under appropriate condition? That is option 3, copper sulfate and iron, CuSO4 plus Fe. The metal which can be extracted from the bauxite ore is aluminium, option 3. An important ore of zinc metal is calamine, option 1. Mercury is exclusively obtained from cinnabar, HgS, option 4. Corrosion of iron is called rusting. In general words, corrosion of iron is called rusting, option 2. The most common metal in the earth's crust is aluminium, option 4. Bauxite contains 50 to 70% of aluminum oxide, option 3. Removal of unwanted impurities like sand, rocky material, earthy particles, limestone, mica, etc. dash from the ore is called ore dressing, option 4. In case of galena and zinc blende, the ores are enriched by this process, froth flotation, option 1. The reduction of iron oxide to molten iron using aluminum powder is called thermite process, option 2. The process of roasting is carried out generally is called oxide ores, option 3. In thermite reaction, the reducing agent is what is used as reducing agent in thermite reaction is option 3, aluminium. The copper obtained from its ore, copper iron pyrites, contains some copper sulfide, iron and sulfur as impurities. This copper is called blister copper, option 4. The method used for refining copper is electrolytic method. Using electrolytic method, we can separate impurities from copper. So answer is option 1. The corrosion of iron is called rusting, option 4. The most suitable method for preventing iron frying pan from rusting is applying coat of zinc, that is option 1. The metal that cannot displace H2 from water in cold condition is aluminium, option 1. This metal reacts explosively with dilute strong acids, that is option 3, potassium. It reacts explosively with acids. Which of the following metals can replace copper from a solution of copper sulfate, that is nothing but zinc, option 1. The oil used in froth flotation process is pine oil, option 3. The reducing agent in thermite process is aluminium, option 4. Which of the following metal cannot displace Ag from AgNO3? Silver from silver nitrate solution is Au, gold, option 1. Ore of manganese metal is option 1, pyrolusite. A common metal which is highly resistant in corrosion is aluminium, option 4. Tarnishing of silver is due to the presence of this gas in air, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide gas makes silver blackish. So answer is option 3. The mineral from which the metal can be extracted profitably are called ores, option 2. The correct decreasing order of reactivity In given one, the answer is option 3, that is potassium, zinc, scandium, copper. Dressing of ore by hand picking is carried for iron ore. Answer option 4. The process in which sulfide ore is strongly heated in presence of air to convert into metal oxide is called roasting. Answer 4. The following metal is obtained by the auto reduction of its sulfide ore, that is copper. Option 1. The heating up of metals by the action of air, moisture or a chemical on their surface is called corrosion. Option 2. The metal which do not corrode easily, which cannot corrode easily are costly metals. Those are gold, silver, platinum and titanium. Option 4. One of the following statement is not true with regards to alloys. Find it. That is option 3. Alloys have higher electrical conductivity than pure metals. That is not true. Next one. Choose the reaction which is not feasible. Which is not feasible? That is option 2. Zinc sulfate plus copper gives rise to copper sulfate plus zinc. Which is correct? In the following one, which is correct? That is option 3. Gangue plus flux gives rise to slag. That means gangue plus flux both are together called as slag. The reactivity of metals aluminium, silver and copper decrease in this order. In this, silver has less reactivity. So first one is aluminium. It has more reactivity. So option 4. Al greater than copper greater than silver. Pyrochemical processes in metallurgy are carried out in structures called furnaces. Option 3. When malachite, the carbonate ore of metal calcinine, we get the metal oxide, copper oxide, CuO. Option 1. Thermite processes involves the reaction of metal oxides with dash aluminium. Option 2. The gas released during calcination is nothing but carbon dioxide. Option 1. In the dash furnace, hearth and firebox are different. That is reverberatory furnace. Option 4. Slag is dash. Before we learned that slag is nothing but combination of gangue and flux. Here gangue and flux, CaSiO3 and FeSiO3. So answer is 3, both 1 and 2. In metallurgy, the substance added to remove the impurity from the ore is called nothing but flux. Option 1. Low melting metal like tin can be purified by this method, that is liquefaction. Option 4. Thank you.